Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Ionon. Thank you for sending me this reverse camera and also the head unit. Now this video short is about the reverse camera. When I should stop my vehicle when I'm reversing my car, it would be nice if you have a reverse camera. This video will show you how to install one. So first, the camera should come with a long cable with a yellow color connector. You connect it to the yellow color backup camera input. Remember to tape it because otherwise it might come loose. Then next, look for the cable that's labeled back. And then I'm going to hide this cable underneath the plastic cover. The trick to install it back is actually you first tighten the screw first, then only you push the clip back into place. The same goes with the B pillar. Remove the cover and then it fits on one side goes in first followed by the other side. Then lastly, the C pillar position, you must first, for my vehicle, you need to remove the seat and then the sofa by using a 10mm socket. Then again, hide it underneath the rubber. Remember to tighten it. Then this is where the cable will be laid. I will push it behind the cushion and then this is how the wire will go through this sofa. And then tighten it, tighten the bowl and push the seat back into good position. Next, the last part, I'm going to remove the cover and then remove the rubber boot. There you go. Can you see it? It go through it, okay, from the cabin out to the bumper. Now it's a bit tight here. I'm going to cut here and then lay the cable. This is actually signal. I mean the reverse light, okay. Then car plate down there. I use a cable puller to actually push the wire out. And then this is where I'm going to install my reverse camera. Then I'm going to pull my wire puller out here, outside the cabin, through the bumper. Then I'll do the connection here. And then red to red, yellow to yellow. Also use a tape to tape it. And then pull it back into the cabin, the bonnet, okay? And then you look at this cable carefully. They're all green color except for these two. So this has to be the reverse lamp. Test it out. Yes. Then this is how you connect it. So I'll just connect the reverse light so that to trigger the reverse camera. So this is a trigger light. Or you may get the connector online these days. Then remember to install the clip back into position is actually fastened using a 4 quick release clip. And then you test it out. Now you need to always calibrate your reverse camera from time to time. You need to check if it's correct because otherwise the safe distance is not really 1.5 inch. It's 1.5 feet. The closest line to the base is actually 1.5 feet and increment 1.5 feet. So 1.5, 3, 4.5, and 6. The green region is actually 6 feet, which is to see the green line. Green line. Okay. So I'll give you context how far is the 1.5. I think this is about 1.5 feet. I hope this video helps you and appreciate a thumbs up. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.